So I've been getting a lot of comments and questions about these new forks. Everybody wants to know the WP XACT spring forks on the new KTM XCs and XCWs, and on the Huskies as well. Probably not on the gas, but we don't know for sure yet. So everybody's asking, are these the same as the 6500 drop-in kits that everybody's been buying? This kit you could buy just converts your convert your air fork to a spring fork with these closed cartridge drop-ins. KTM already offered this. It's like $1,300, or I think maybe like $1,500. It comes custom valved for you with springs maybe for your weight, something like that. So in an interview this week, the WP rep, one of the WP techs, confirmed that although this is a very similar design, the production exact spring fork is not the same as the 6500 drop-in kit. He listed a couple differences. He said that these 6500 kits are machined a little better, a little more precise, because they are not made in mass production like the exact spring fork is going to be. Also, the piston is a little different for the valving, and the valving stack uses delta shims. Those are the oblong shaped shims instead of just the round shims on the WP XACT. So while they're similar design, probably both going to have pretty similar feel, these are technically still an upgrade or a better option. So if you just bought these, you don't need to be bummed out. They're going to be a great option.